How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can find a Nether Fortress in under 1 minute. So it is extremely simple to do this, but of course we need to go ahead and use commands. So first things first, head over to open LAN, allow commands, and then click on the start LAN world. Now from here, you just want to type -locate space structure space Minecraft Fortress. So in here, you could simply scroll down and there's going to be the fortress option. So let me just go ahead and fill this out real quick, which is going to be this one. Hit on enter. And then basically before you do this, you have to make sure that you are inside the Nether world. So let's go ahead and make it real quick with obsidian and then flint and steel. So I'm really sorry if I'm taking a bit of time right here. I'm doing it as fast as I can. And simply right after, let's just go ahead and use the exact same code. And from there, you will get this coordinates right here. So what you want to do is to just click on it and then hit on enter once again, and then it will teleport you instantly to the fortress. So this is the fortress right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Uy, baka mag-crash.